What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free domain name for WordPress. Welcome to my channel Ask Cheche. In this channel I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs and the metaverse. I am here to help you and to guide you. Alright, so please remember to like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, now please watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how you could get a free domain name for your WordPress website. Okay, now I'm currently on a 100-day challenge. By the time you're seeing this, probably this should be the 26th or 27th video I'll be creating. Okay, and currently it's been an amazing journey. It's been tough, stressful sometimes, but I've been enjoying it so far. All right, so now there are things you should consider when choosing a domain name. All right, so you want to stick with a .com domain name, all right, because it's easy to remember and it's quite popular. All right, you want to make sure it's easy and short. You want to make sure it's easy to pronounce and to spell. Okay, it's very difficult to try to tell someone over the phone that your website is help me get home and get a car.com. I mean, it's it's hilarious. People do make those mistakes, and sometimes people get away with them. All right, but it's not recommended that you should try that. Get a name that's just keep it short and sweet. All right. Then finally, it's not recommended that you use numbers or hyphens in your domain name. All right, because this will make it more difficult to remember your domain name. All right, and that's not what you want. Okay, now I'm going to leave a link for you. This link will help us to get this domain name for free. One thing you should note is that this domain name we're getting for free, it comes at a bonus, all right, an added bonus when we purchase web hosting. All right, so if you want to start a WordPress website, you need web hosting. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link for you down here that will take us to get this bonus and to get this web hosting. All right, so let's dive in. So I'm currently on the website. It's purpleblogprofits.com/make a website. Okay, so here I put 2 steps to help you to create your website or your blog easily. Okay, so the first thing we do is that we want to check if our domain name is available. Okay, so we click on this button just below step 1. So currently we're on the website, and I'm going to choose, say, axchecheimages.com and click on search. Awesome. So it says axchecheimages.com has been added to my cart, so that means that it's available. All right, so you see this, if you look here to the right, it says the domain purchase will cost about $13 per year. Okay, and then if we want to go for privacy and protection, it's going to cost an added $12, which makes it a total of about $25. Okay, so this is quite crazy. All right, but that's what you get. But I want to show you how to get this for free. So you're paying nothing for this domain name directly, and that will be done by getting hosting from Bluehost. Okay, so I'm just going to close this page and head back to purpleblogprofits/make a website. And because we found out that the domain name we want is available, we want to now purchase web hosting, because when we do, we will get the domain name as a bonus attached. Okay, then not to mention, if you use this link, you're going to get a sweet discount. You're getting web hosting at about $2.95 per month. Okay, so click this button below to snag your discount right now. So I've clicked on this button under step 2 to purchase web hosting right now. All right, here we are. So the first thing we do is that we want to click on host your site. Then we scroll down here and we click on select, because these are different plans, the basic, the plus, the Choice Plus, the Pro. All right, but we have just one website we want to host right now, so we click on this to go for the basic plan, which comes at about $2.95 per month. All right, so this is where we claim our domain name. Okay, so the domain I want to get is axchecheimages.com. So I'll come here and enter it, ax cheche images. All right, perfect, and I click on next. Awesome, so it's available. All right, so the next thing we need to do is that we need to fill out our account information. All right, and when we're done with this, we see that this is going to the hosting account you're going to get is going to come at about $35. All right, we're getting, so this is the most important stuff here. We're getting this primary domain registration for free. Okay, we don't want this package extras, so I'm going to uncheck this and uncheck. All right, I don't want this, so turn it off. So we're going to uncheck this too, and we scroll down here and we uncheck this. Okay, so we see that we've saved about $84. All right, so we're going to pay $35 to get the hosting plan, the basic hosting plan, and of course we're going to get our domain name for free. Right, next thing we do is that we want to enter our credit card number and the CVV code, expiration date, and then we scroll down here and we check that we have read and agreed to Bluehost terms and conditions, and we hit the submit button. All right, so this is how you get a free domain name for your WordPress website. With this method, we are going to figuratively kill two birds with just one stone. So we've got hosting at a sweet discount using the link. All right, so I'm going to leave the link for you in the pinned comment section below. All right, so use that. You're going to snag your sweet discount. You're going to get hosting at about $2.95 per month, plus you get your domain name for free. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Do leave a comment below. Let me know how easy this process was you to figure out. All right, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.